Why is my ice cream not freezing in the freezer?
Hello, ice cream lovers. Today we are addressing a question that's been vexing some of you lately. Why isn't my ice cream freezing in the freezer? This is a common concern and could be due to a number of reasons. So, let's break the ice and dig into this frosty issue.
Is your freezer working properly?
The first thing to check when your ice cream isn't freezing is, unsurprisingly, your freezer itself. Ensure that your freezer is functioning correctly. The freezer should maintain a consistent temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, or below for the proper freezing of food items. If your freezer isn't cold enough, your ice cream won't freeze. It's as simple as that. So, make sure to regularly check and adjust the temperature settings on your freezer, or consider having it serviced if it can't maintain the proper temperature.
Are you using the right ice cream recipe?
Now, let's turn to the ice cream itself. Are you using a recipe designed to freeze well? Some recipes might result in an ice cream that stays soft, even in the freezer. Ice cream's consistency is determined by its fat content, the types of sweeteners used, and the process of making it. Higher fat content and certain types of sugar can lower the freezing point of ice cream, meaning it might remain soft in your freezer. Additionally, commercial ice cream often contains stabilizers that help it freeze solidly and uniformly, which might not be present in your homemade recipe. So, review your recipe and try to understand if it might be contributing to your soft ice cream issue.
Have you stored the ice cream properly?
Proper storage is key to getting your ice cream to freeze well. It's essential to minimize the exposure to air, as this can cause ice crystals to form on the surface, changing the texture and also preventing proper freezing. Always make sure your ice cream is stored in an airtight container. Another useful tip is to place a layer of plastic wrap directly on the ice cream before putting the lid on, to create a better seal. That's a wrap on our frosty journey into the world of ice cream freezing. So the next time your ice cream isn't getting firm, remember to check these points: the functioning of your freezer, the recipe you're using, and how you're storing the ice cream. We hope you found this video helpful and can now confidently troubleshoot any ice cream freezing issues you may encounter.